What's going on, guys? Happy Friday. I'm sure you've all wondered what this is before. What is that adjustable engine stabilizer link you sell? Well, this is a piece that replaces Harley's solid stabilizer link for the top of engines. What does it do? Well, this allows you to adjust the top of the engine left or right in a way that allows you to align your engine and swing arm vertically inside of your rubber mounts, right? Rubber mounts are great, but you need to have them centered. Otherwise, you're fighting everything. And if your driveline isn't centered, you're going to pull one way or the other. You're going to get vibrations. You're going to have bad oscillations from gyroscopic effects when you're leaning and turning, etc. If you're having those problems, this is a part you should look into ASAP. It's one of the most vital parts that is highly overlooked on all Harley bikes. What makes our part better than the competitors? Well, for starters, they're all made in America, using American-made parts from quality companies. I hand assemble every one of these. This one is CNC machined right in New York from American materials. The chromoly version is welded by me in shop. It's all American materials there as well. What makes them better than the competitor? Well, above that, they're not mass-produced, Chinese-made, just knocked out, simple reproductions. These are high-quality pieces that are made to take a beating and made to give you that fine adjustment to be able to get your chassis and driveline right. That's the difference. We take pride in our products. We make sure that every one of these is up to spec before they leave the shop, and I would never send out a part that's not going to work for you. Whether you're a racer, a stunt rider, or just a daily rider, you need one of these. Why is it important? Well, like I said, you need to be able to adjust your driveline. This allows you to adjust your driveline within your rubber mount engine mounts. The factory one is solid, so it's non-adjustable, and it's just a generic piece. It's the same for a lot of different models. This allows you to do a true alignment on your driveline. There's other alignments you could do for your front forks, which you should definitely do if you've ever changed them out. And same with your rear suspension. If you've ever changed out your swing arm or anything else or made any modifications, if that engine has come in and out at all, you need one of these. You need to be able to adjust that driveline to be smooth, straight, and parallel. You want it to be perfectly straight so everything is happy and in line. You don't want your wheels to be like this. You don't want your driveline to be shooting sideways. You want everything straight. One of these is exactly how you do that. Harley did away with adjustable links in '09 when they changed their entire chassis. It's pretty important to have one of these in reality. It used to be part of their service procedures. They used to have an entire service procedure for just aligning everything, starting from the rear axle all the way up, including forks, chassis, etc. Why would they do away with that? That's because they went with a solid link to try to make things easier and more simplified for production. But we know not all production parts are the right part. One of these is what you need to be able to get that whole engine and driveline in line. And going and getting a proper chassis alignment from a shop like we use, Souter's Speed Shop in Bristol, Connecticut, or anyone that's local that does a full chassis alignment is key. If you're into performance or you've built your bike, you need to get your chassis aligned. This is one of the first parts you should buy.